Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing infographic in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. Plus, you can also buy this template from the Patreon link in the description below. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's start. As always, you're going to open up a blank slide and insert a circle. And for the height and the width of the circle, let's just change it to 17 centimeter, both height and width. Next, we're gonna insert a rectangle this thick, and then we're just gonna rotate it, duplicate it, and then rotate it vertically. And we're gonna place it in the middle and center, and then insert a rectangle, and then we're gonna also place it in between and select all of your shapes and then give them fragment from merge options. Select all of your shapes and give them shadow and change each one of their colors individually. Now you're gonna insert your title, and you're gonna insert four icons, whichever you like, in the shapes and change their fill. So I'm going to use white for each one of the fields, but as you can see for the lilac color, you can see that we are not going to use white color because it is not visible into that part. So we're just going to use a darker fill for that. So let's use this dark purple in the next purple shape. Next, what we're going to do is insert our content text. Right now we have four shapes so we're just going to use four of these content text box along with their numbering of about which number of the which number of each of the content text is this. Similarly, we're gonna give the content text a right alignment that is onto the right side, and we're also gonna change our text. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. You can try giving them some animations to get more better results for your infographic. But if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video as well. See you in another video soon.